Hi everyone, today we're talking about something that's completely transformed my life, and that's books. But more importantly, we're talking about the one thing that makes books actually work for you, and that's taking action. You know what's crazy? Every successful person I've studied has one habit in common. They're voracious readers. But here's what most people miss. These successful people don't just read, they execute. They take what they learn and they immediately put it into practice. We all have the same 24 hours, but some people seem to accomplish so much more. Their secret? They learn through others, through books, and then they take action. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have time to read. That's exactly what I used to say. But here's the game changer that revolutionized my learning journey, and that's audiobooks. I listen while I exercise, while I drive, or doing jobs around the house. And I listen at 1.2 times speed, which means I can get through books faster, but without sacrificing comprehension. But remember, listening alone isn't enough. It's what you do with that knowledge that counts. Let me share something personal. So 2 years ago, I was stuck in my career, feeling like I was spinning my wheels. I was reading book after book, but nothing was really changing. Want to know why? Because I was collecting information without implementing. The moment everything changed was when I started taking immediate action on what I learned. Even small steps count. Actually, especially small steps count. Here's how I optimize my learning and taking action. In the morning, I listen to business books, and then I just try and implement one idea that same day. And in my commute time, I use that for personal development and go for some goal setting. And on weekend, while doing jobs around the house, I listen to other successful people and the habits they've adopted. But listen, let me be clear. You can read every self-help book on the planet, but if you don't take action, nothing's going to change. It's like buying gym equipment and then you just don't use it. The potential's there, but the results come from actually doing the work, right? So the best part is you don't have to figure everything out through trial and error, because books, they let you learn from people who've already achieved what you're aiming for. They've made the mistakes, found the solutions, and packaged all that wisdom together for us. But this is crucial. You must take action on what you learn. If you're ready to transform your life through books and action, I've got great news. I'm dropping some of the top books that I've read in the last couple of years into future videos. But here's your first opportunity to take some action right now, and that's grab an Audible subscription. There's a link in the description. I'll earn a small commission and I'll be forever grateful for your support. But more importantly, you'll be taking your first step towards real change. And it might seem like a small step, but remember, every massive success story started with just one small action. And this is more than just me or you. Together we can create a community of action takers who inspire others to reach their full potential. That's my mission, and I'd love for you to be part of it. And remember, it's not the books that will change your life, it's the actions you take after reading them. So take that small step today, and I'll see you in the next video.